Hey guys, and welcome to the Green Spoon Studio Kitchen. My name is Wanyos, aka Jeremy, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this delicious guacamole. I'm having it with some tortilla chips. You could definitely have it with some French fries. You could have it with your giveri as well. So many ways to use it. Let's get to it. For our ingredients, we have an onion, a red onion. You could use a white onion as well. We have our three tomatoes. We have some avocados here, which will be the stars of the show. We have some lemon, some jalapenos. These are pickled jalapenos from Capite. And we have our dhania or coriander. So we're going to start with chopping our onions. And one thing with onions is if you want to reduce the rancid nature of an onion, once you've chopped, you want to throw it into some salted water for around 10 to 20 minutes. And that will make it lose its rancidity. So we're going to just chop these and throw them into some salted water for 10 to 20 minutes. So once your onions are chopped, you want to get some water and some salt ready. And we're just going to add in some salt to this. Dissolve it. And you want to do this first thing so that once you're done assembling the other ingredients, your onions will be ready. So just pour this and set this aside for later. So once our avocados have been cut into half, we just want to spoon them into our mortar and pestle. This is for if you want a smooth guacamole. If you prefer a chunkier guacamole, I think you could skip this step or just not pound it out as hard as we are going to right here. So let's just add in all our avocado. Okay, and we are going to start. So if you want this chunky, we'll get to a certain point that you'll get to your desired consistency, but we really want this smooth, so we're going to go all the way. You could also use a fork. And I think we've gotten to the consistency that we want. So we're gonna leave it here. And you are done making your avocado. So now we're gonna chop this lemon up and juice it. So just move this to the side so that you can see. Really heavy. Lemon. You have 2 cheeks. Then you want to grab your juicer and just So your lemons should have gaping holes like this once you're done. And now it is time for us to assemble. So we have this big bowl to assemble in because we have like quite a lot of avocado. So first off, we're gonna drain this onions of their water. Of course, as I told you guys, we were soaking it in a bit of salty water for a while. We're gonna drain these and then we assemble. So we're gonna start with the onions. Toss them in the bowl. Make sure you get everything. Then we're gonna go in with our tomatoes. And then we're gonna spoon in some of our jalapenos. It's a bit of a tight fit. Remember, this is a bit spicy, so please use cautiously. You could also use some of the pickling liquid it comes with, but not too much. Then we go in with our coriander, our dhania. And finally, the star of the show, our avocado. So we're gonna go in with our avocado. And now it is time to mix. So you want to go in there, you want to make sure and if you want to taste this for seasoning, please don't taste using the spoon you mix. You could just dollop some onto your hand. Probably a little more, with a bit more. You want to taste this. And once you're satisfied with how well seasoned it is, I think we're done right now. So it's time to serve. So our guacamole is done. We're gonna serve it with some tortilla chips. So just cut it through. And I like to have my tortilla chips as the base. Just wait a minute. And then once I cover the entire base with tortilla chips, I go in with some of my guacamole. For how this easy is to make, it's really nice. You guys should give this a try. So thank you guys so much for watching. You can get all these ingredients from the Green Spoon app or on their website. And until next time, bon appetit.